Congratulations to Kyle James.
Congratulations goes to Abiad Al-Sheikh. Give a shout out to the ghost,
We believe that education is a right, and education is the key to removing so many of our social barriers that there are today. It doesn't matter if you want a career, if you're going to college, if you're going into the military, you must be prepared for life, and that's our whole goal. We value you for who you are.
And yeah, we're all different, and that's all good.
We all belong here.
We will meet you right where you are and provide you with the education that you need to get to the stars that you're dreaming about today.
What I love about YCS is that every school is unique and has something dynamic to offer for children and families.
Ypsilanti Community Schools is a comprehensive school district that has so many options for students.
Especially now, taking it to the next level, being able to offer our scholars that Chromebook and that free internet.
We are a one-to-one district.
Although I think it's going to be different, I think this is a great opportunity to get our students and even our teachers more tech savvy, like into the 21st century.
In blended learning, face-to-face learning, or all virtual type of learning, we're going to be able to offer all of those things. No matter what happens,
we embrace equity. We are moving forward in this rigorous curriculum, knowing that we're not alone.
That we are truly a team. We all work together. We're all one big happy family. And when we say we're stronger together, we truly mean it.
You're never going to find as much love as you do in this district.
Maana nipenda sana kujana ananifundishaka sana. Ese tipo
ما همین استباق نبودن چون که اسکولی کنم و مکتبی کنم و یا گفتن تونی.
My kids, I love my kids.
People at this school really showed me that they love me. Like I cried on my way through the drive-through.
It's not even welcoming. It's more than that. Genuine love, genuine hospitality, genuine safety, and that's every day, all day long.
And I say if we set the tone and we set that expectation for this level of service, those students will rise to the occasion and they will follow along and they will feel so respected and loved. And that's what it's about. When the student knows that you're there for them, they really shine and thrive with that.
They want to do better. They want to succeed.
They want to be here, and our staff loves on them and want to be here as well.
It's about the love, and that's about dedication. And that's who we are.
We are amazing.
Leaders.
Community.
We are the Grizzly Nation.
Change makers.
Powerful.
Mentors.
Impactful.
We are fun learners. Smart students. Smart and kind. We are strong.
Excited about being a unicorn.
We are the best.
We are blood.
We are beautiful. We are powerful.
We are family.
Family.
A family.
We are stronger together.
We are saving lives.
We are YCS.
We are YCS.
We are YCS.
We are.
We are.
We are YCS.
We are.
We are YCS.